Well, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope everybody had a lot of turkey and stuffing and gravy and yams, sweet potatoes. But don't forget that pecan pie. I was going to say pecan pie, but I figured that, you know, because we Southern boys say pecan. Some people say pecan, pecan. So, while I'm interrupting your afternoon nap, I know y'all stuffed, probably getting ready to watch the ball games, parades, whatever it is you're doing. All the women folk are in there looking at the Black Friday ads, getting ready to go Black Friday shopping. So I want to bring you a little Black Friday sale. So you guys check this truck out I'm fixing to show you. And we got a blowout price on it. And we'll get into that here in just a moment. So you guys enjoy this video of this awesome truck. We got a little Black Friday blowout. And give me a call. First thing Friday morning on Black Friday, I will be here selling you this truck. So stand by. Okay, so we are in the truck. I left the club on it. I didn't bring the key for the club, so we're going to show you this truck, the interior. We're going to start with the interior, and then we'll back it out. I think we can back it out with the club in it. And we'll show you what we got going on here. Okay, so what we have is a 2015 double bunk T-680 TV mount. Cabinets back here in the back, and cabinets, closet over here on this side. Your sleeper controls there. So this one here, I've showed you the white 680 that we had. There's the automatics. There's like that one sitting there next to it. Check the tab, a big tab right here. You can watch the video on those trucks. Sorry about the club. We put the club on them because we're closed on today, and that way nobody can come and steal them while we're not here. But I came in here just for you guys to give you this video, show you what we got. So I didn't bring the key for the club, silly me. But as you can see, it's a nice truck. It's got 493,105 miles on it. It's got all the gauge package, you know, everything you need. And she's a 10-speed, not an automatic. I know some of you guys are worried about automatics, and some of you guys are pro-automatic. Some are not. Some love to have a 10-speed. So we've got two of these are 10-speed. One's already sold, so we got this one left. And all in all, it's a really nice truck. So let me back her out, and we'll do a walk around and show you what we got on the outside. Okay, so I can't back it out because the wheels are turning a little bit, and look, that's all you can move, you know, so you can't. All right, so we can't back it out. So there's that. There is that. There, come on. Turn those interior lights back off. So yeah, here's a spec sheet on it. I printed out. So we got to look at that. 2015 T680, 493,000 miles for 56,950. Now we had always priced at 62. Give me a call. You know what, we might do a little bit more of a Black Friday sale on that one. Right now she's 56,950. Now the boss ain't here today. Boss will be here Friday. He might veto me, but we might even get this thing down there to 55. Not because we already went from 62 to 56, so I might be getting in trouble. But you guys call me. Y'all buy this truck on Friday, I'll put you in it for 55,900 without the boss's permission. So don't tell him I said that. You call me, we'll work it out. And don't forget, the first guy gets 200 out of my pocket. My first time. I need to sell a truck. The boss man's getting mad at me. But anyway, it has a Paccar MX-13 engine, 455 horsepower, engine brake, blah blah. It still has a 5-year, 500,000 mile warranty left on it. So for 7,000 more miles, you have a warranty on it, and we can provide a warranty. We'll get into that. Let me show you after the outside of the video, and we'll get into the warranty stuff. As you can tell, it has the gray interior, double bunk, blah blah blah. 120 gallon left side, 120 gallon right side. Yeah, she's good to go, boys and girls. Let's go take a look at the outside of it and see what we got. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't back it up. See, just that wheel cut that much, I couldn't straighten it up. It is what it is. Excuse me. Woo, had to sneeze. Anyway, she's ready to roll out of here, guys. She needs to get home. Black Friday sale. We're selling a white truck, Black Friday there. Come on. I love it. I absolutely love it. They're all cleaned out. Lots of room to put all your luggage and all your stuff, your tools, your snow chains, whatever you need. And got Michelin's. I think it was caps. Yeah, I got caps back here on the back. But she got good rubber. Got a lot of tread there left in it. 4 airbag system. Sliding 5th wheel on it. And yeah, looks to be in pretty good shape. You know, ain't all beat up. Got new Michelin steers up here on the front. But anyway, you guys want to see under the hood, see what a Paccar motor looks like? Hold on. All right, so here we go. We got you a nice little Paccar engine up here. Yes, sir. 455 horse should get the job done. Now, the good thing about these Kenworths with this Paccar engine, we can put a warranty on that bad boy right there to get you up to 750,000 miles protected. So for the next 250,000 miles, next 2 years, you guys can have peace of mind. You can come out here and buy this truck. We can put the warranty on it. It covers all the, you know, the liners, the heads, the you know, major components of the engine and all the emissions. Get you covered, man. Put that premium warranty on there. You can drive this truck worry-free to 750,000 miles. I mean, that would be an awesome money-making machine right there. 2015. You can get in this truck for what did I say it's gonna do? 56, 55.9. I tell my boss if I get fired. Hey, if he fires me, at least I get you a good truck there. Come on. So for 55.9, we'll get you in a good truck, loaded up with a warranty. So you're probably gonna need about, you know, first time buyer, you need 20% of that down more than likely. Decent credit score. Banks with my financing will work with you. It all depends on your credit score. If you're in the 5s or 600s, might need 30% down. We can make it happen. We got 2 or 3 options at our disposal. And like I said, that warranty also comes along with we got warranties that cover wheels and tires and is it brakes, tires, but you know, oh, you know, oil changes. We even got one of the warranties will cover a set of eight tires and no, I'm sorry, it's 8 oil changes and a whole set of tires. That's you know, figured in with the financing. So you're set. So for 2.5 years, you can drive this truck. You ain't got to worry about tires. You ain't got to worry about oil changes. It's all figured in and done. Excuse me, I'm choking on my lunch here. But anyway, well, I'm excited. You guys, this is my Black Friday deal. Somebody come and buy this truck off of me. You get $200 cash in my pocket. It'll be my first truck sold. It'd be fantastic. Sold a few trucks while I was on vacation, but didn't count because I was on vacation. So here we are. Let's get you going. Give me a call. I think it's 423-308-40. I don't know. We'll go look it up. Hang on. Okay, we'll get you that phone number. I don't want to recite it and tell you wrong. You know, but we got the office line. We need y'all to call that office line and go back to your desk. It's always in the little drop-down menu there, guys. You know, always look right there and find it. And we only got that one left and one more automatic. We've sold them all, you know, so they go fast. And so if you guys want that truck, man, my Black Friday sale, you guys need to call me. I'm standing by right here on the phones Friday morning, first thing, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Check the drop-down menu right there for the phone number. Give me a call. Let's get this thing sold. Let's get this weekend kicked off with a bang there. Come on. Anyway, we'll see you guys after a while. Happy Thanksgiving. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate your patience. See you on the flip. When I'm not rooster cruising and making idiotic ramblings, I am kicking my nephew's butt in a game of pool. Come on. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.